Kia ora, ko Jeremy aka Tātere ahau, ko hau te rangatira o te whare.
No. No. Kia ora, ko Te Rina hau, ko au te mama o te whare.
Kia ora, ko te uaki aho. Kia ora, ko mairua hau.
A ko sina tēnei. Morena e te iwi. Another great day here in Kaungunu. The boys are outside playing with their baby brother Sina, and we've decided that we'll lock them out for a little bit so Mama and I can spring clean. Morena Mama.
Tēnā. Noho ki waho, son. Noho ki waho. Stay outside, please.
It never ceases to amaze me how much food you find under the couches. Despite how many times we tell our boys no eating on the couches, I don't think that rule has been perfectly observed. Rina and I work really well together.
But sometimes this OCD is just next level. It's just how crazy this OCD gets. OCD.
As you'll see, I love the photos of the olds, but they have to be straight. So I'll come out with my leveler and I make sure they're all straight. See? The only problem is we've run out of room on our walls. How tall, mahi, Mum?
Just refilling the soaps.
How much soap have we gone through since lockdown?
Let's just say our hands are very, very dry. So lots.
So with the COVID-19 breakout, Te Rina has a very, very robust cleaning regime, and we'll take you through that. Kei te aha koe.
Just journaling everything.
So Te Rina mana is disinfecting our letterbox. You can never be too careful.
I know what the coronavirus getting in our house. We don't know who's got it. We get all our kai delivered by different companies, local companies, and I'm just cleaning it, making sure I get all the germs.
I am clearly not the only one with OCD.
Gotta keep the germs out.
Spotless. Our house is spotless for now. We are well into the lockdown now, and it's really starting to take its toll on the boys. I feel sorry for Te Uaki, he's 11, Motu is 5. They haven't seen either of their friends for a long time, and they're struggling at this point to get along.
Roddy always screams for everything. He's a hickey. Always wants what I have. I'm being annoying.
Because you boys keep fighting, we're going to play a little game, okay? Stand up. Stand up. You too. You too. Look at Uaki. Look down at Motu, and you just got to stare at each other. And the first one to laugh loses. Okay.
Mai, te tiro ke Uaki, me te kore I kata.
He loves me.
Aww, awhi awhi.